What's going on, guys? It's Cameron with Lebanon Ford Performance. Very exciting day today. We officially have something in-house. I'm walking over to Brandon's Bay right now. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now, but I'm going to, the next clip you see, we'll have something very special in. All right, here it is. Tearing into our first 2024. Superchargers are officially here. We have our first two on the ground right now. As you can see, this is the all-new 2024. This is build number 1 here. So it's super exciting seeing how the kits differentiate from the old ones and everything. Brandon's got everything torn apart. You can see the actual blower over there and him working on it. And this is exciting. It's our very first one, so let's get it rolling. Here's the actual unit torn apart. As you can see, there's the internals, there's the inside. Everything on the bottom end, top end over here is waiting to get pieced together. Bumper is off. The dual intake tube. Everything. There's all the ins and outs. Seems to be a pretty awesome, pretty sick, solid kit. It's a little bit different to install than the last one, Brandon was telling me, so learning as it goes, kind of taking our time, getting everything done perfectly like we do in our fashion. So we're excited for this thing to come together and to start moving these things quickly here soon. All right, final update for the night before we begin and finish this thing tomorrow morning. The blower is officially on. We are just waiting to put the intake on and wrap just a few more things up. Front bumper still off. It is over there. It's going to be getting an RTR grill to spice it up even more. So this car is going to be insane. It's going to be really, really cool once it's done, fully detail oriented. So that's the way it sits now. You can see the intercooler over there, the intake piping, and some just other supporting things to go on the car, ready to go. So this is the way it sits, and we will update you guys tomorrow. So Brandon and I just took this thing out to give it the test drive and get all the fluids and everything circulated to make sure everything went well. And wow, that new power system is unreal. It is super strong at 810 horsepower. But yeah, so it's finished. I'm gonna take it out here in just a little bit, get some beauty shots of it, and a full video done on this thing. So you will see all of that at the end. What is going on, guys? It is Cameron with Lebanon Ford Performance, back with another video today. And today we have something super ultra special. The vehicle behind me marks our very first brand new 2024 Supercharged Mustang, and we are super pumped on this car. So let me waste no time and get right into showing you this brand new build. All right, guys, I wanted to waste absolutely no time, and I wanted to get that hood popped immediately to show you guys what you came here for. There it is. There is the all-new Ford Performance Whipple Supercharger for the all-new Mustang. Installed, running smooth, running healthy. Everything went butter smooth. Brandon, our installer, said the installation is similar but different to the old installation. There's some things that are similar and some things that have changed as far as the installation goes. So he wanted to spend that time to learn everything, get everything dialed in and proper. And here we finally have it. This car is out and it's on the road with all 810 horsepower behind it. So look at how beautiful that thing sits right in the engine bay. Again, it has one of those things that just looks like it should have been built from the factory like that. Yeah, and this thing is absolutely money. So this was picked up by Mr. Colin Davis, an out-of-state customer. He's gonna be flying in on Friday to come pick this up and drive it home. And while we had it, as you can see, he wanted us to do a little bit more, so he went with the RTR front and upper grille here to give that front end just that extra A, cooling, but B, give it that extra look with the RTR lighting. But he went with the black over silver and the standard silver Brembo brakes. And then on the interior, he got himself the premium. So it has the leather seats, 10-speed automatic, heated seats up top, and everything with all the amenities on the screen. You know how the premium is and how it looks. It's a very, very good platform. And of course, the 10-speed automatic to build on this platform here, the new Supercharger. Brandon and I took the car out this morning to make sure everything was running as operated and everything went smooth. And the 10-speed absolutely loves this Supercharger. It feels super healthy, super fast. So Colin, you are going to be very excited when you come pick this thing up and bring it home. We're super excited that we were able to build this, and we cannot wait for the Supercharger program for 2024 to kick off. We will be making a video here very soon talking fully about it and giving you all the ins and outs and the details of everything. So definitely stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, this build went just as according to plan. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you, Mr. Colin Davis, for building this vehicle through us. We are super pumped that you are chassis number one. We're super pumped on how this car turned out, and we cannot wait for you to experience all 810 horsepower in this monster. To everyone else, if you want to get yourself built one of these, we can throw a supercharger on any Mustang that has the V8. Standard, convertible, dark horse, RTR, anything you want, we can supercharge it. So definitely let us know. Give us a call at 513-932-1010, or you can check out a lot more photos of this, every Mustang we have in stock that is eligible for supercharging, and a lot more online at LebanonFordPerformance.com.